Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, feast your eyes on this classic 83 RM250 ultra rare piece. This is only the second one we've had out of over 10,000 bikes that we've had through the shop here. This only two 83 RM250s, and the other one was not this nice. This one, the suspension on it's mint. It's got original rims on it. It's a very low original. It's got a pristine set of super clean frame rails on it. Original exhaust. Original shock canister still has the decal on it. Original fuel tank. It's just even has a kickstand on it, but what I really wanted to tell you guys when I was riding this bike up the driveway is this is why the AMA makes the 252 strokes. They can't run them with the 254 strokes. They got to run them with the 450s because it wouldn't be fair. The 252 strokes are so much more powerful than what a 254 stroke would be, especially the modern ones like the Gas, KTM, Husqvarnas. They definitely are faster than the 254 stroke, putting down more horsepower and torque. So just a fantastic machine, super easy to work on. Most of these were ridden into the ground. I had an 82 RM250. I raced the NESC 250 amateur class and had a bunch of top 5 finishes on that. And loved that bike. Fantastic machine. It was a good time to be a Suzuki rider. And this one is a really clean. Look at the pegs. Look at how straight the pegs are. Look at the original shifter on it. It looks brand new. It's got the original case guard. It has the original hose clamps on it, and original sticker on the shock is still intact. The engine, we just went through, the bike's been completely gone through. The frame was repainted. The engine was dismantled. Everything was in mint shape. It just needed a new piston and ring, so it's got a brand new piston and rings. New base gasket, new head gasket. The carb was rebuilt. New fuel lines, new air filter, new spark plug, new gear oil, new coolant. And the pipe was refurbished and painted. That's the original pipe. The nice DG silencer, period correct mod on the back there. So the power plant's been gone through. The frame's been gone through and painted. The kickstand was painted. The pegs were painted. The original swing arm. Look how nice the original swing arm is on this thing. These are the original factory decals on the swing arm from 1983, 42 years ago. It's remarkable. The shock guard's intact. Look how nice and clean the shock looks on this thing. Nice gold chain. New set of Michelin Star Cross tires, front and rear. Check out the sticker on the back of the original forks. It's original paint job on the forks there. The original factory paint on the forks. Forks have new fork boots on it. It does have a new front fender on it, new front number plate, a new set of Renthal handlebars with a new Suzuki period correct crossbar pad, new ODI pillow top grips, new clutch and brake levers with a new quick adjustable perch, new drain tube line, brand new graphics on there. My honey Chrissy just printed out for us. New 250 logos, new side number plates, new rear fender, and a new seat cover. So no expense was spared bringing it back to showroom clean condition. Check out the frame rails on this. We show them to you yet? I mean, this is I mean, look at this. There's not a single ding anywhere on these frame rails. That's unheard of. NESC motocross, one moto at Motor Brother, be all banged up. The cases are pristine. The engine cover's super nice. The pegs. The brake lever's never been bent. And this is obviously a bike that wasn't raced. The original radiator is intact and in good condition. Look at how clean. Look at there's no bent fins on the radiator. They're usually all smushed in. Has original radiator guard on there. Definitely by the nicest 83. Like I said, we only had 2 of them in, but one of the nicest of any brand 83 250 we've had through the shop that is mostly original. Just been given a full preservation service, new plastic graphics, tires, piston and rings. All the fluids are new, and running VP fuel in it, and it's ready to go, man. I doubt you'll find another one this clean anywhere. Even the shock, the rear shock has got good dampening on it still. Usually the last one, if you look at the video, the last one, the shock was a little bit bagged out. Needed a rebuild. It was a little worn out. The forks are nice and nice. They got air forks on them too if you want to make them a little stiffer. This bike's ready to go to Mid-Ohio and rip it on the motocross track right now. Pull a big fat holy and you know, huck some doubles for sure. It's definitely a kick-ass piece. This one won't be around long, guys. And let me spin it around this side so you can see this side in the sunlight. Look at how nice the original engine, magnesium engine case is. Not scratched or anything. No gouges in it. Original carbs in mint shape. Original chain guards, mint. Just a really, the pegs are perfectly straight. All the earmarks of a bike that was never raced and maybe trail ridden lightly. The bike maybe has 20, 30 hours on it. With a fresh new piston and rings, base gasket and head gasket. It's ready to go. Definitely a cool piece. It'll be on display on the 3rd floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum here. If you want to come take a look at it. It's definitely ready to put on display and or take it to the track. Your choice. Thanks for watching. Good luck bidding on it. This one won't be long. This one's definitely one primo 250 Suzuki. It's a off-road or moto. It's good to go. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.